Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Krishna Singla and today we are going to discuss about the velocity time graph of an object moving with positive acceleration, zero acceleration and negative acceleration. So let's get started. First of all, there are three types of acceleration which are positive acceleration, negative acceleration and zero acceleration. So first we are going to learn about positive acceleration. So let's get started. In positive acceleration, here a bus starts moving from rest and velocity goes on increasing. When velocity goes on increasing, acceleration is positive. So now negative acceleration. Car stops when brakes are applied, thus velocity goes on decreasing. Negative acceleration is also known as retardation or deceleration. Velocity of direction and velocity of negative acceleration is always opposite. Now let's talk about zero acceleration. Here the scooter is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second, but there is no change in velocity and thus no acceleration. When velocity does not change and remains uniform, acceleration is zero. Now let's talk about the graph of the velocity time of the objects we have studied before. This is a velocity time graph of an object moving with zero acceleration. Since there is no acceleration, velocity will be constant and thus we will get a constant velocity at every point of the time. Now let's talk about an object having negative acceleration, which means the direction of velocity is opposite to the direction of acceleration. Thus this graph is formed, from which we can see at time 0 velocity is a, and at time t the velocity becomes b, which is equal to 0. Now let's talk about a special case of negative acceleration, in which the direction of velocity is equal to direction of acceleration, but since it is in the negative direction, we get this graph. In this graph, minus v is greater in magnitudes than minus v naught. In this graph, the direction of acceleration is equal to the direction of velocity, which causes the velocity of the object to increase by in equal intervals, and thus velocity is increasing constantly.